If you've ever wondered how to center text in the middle of the page in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to make your text sit neatly in the center so your document looks cleaner, more professional, and easier to format. This is a quick but very useful Word skill, whether you're working on a title page, a flyer, a school project, or any document where layout matters. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. You can use an existing file or start with a new blank document, whichever works best for you. Once your document is open, go to the section of text that you want to place in the center of the page. This could be a heading, a title, a name, or any line of text that needs a more polished look. Next, select the text you want to center. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the words with your mouse, or by holding down Shift and using the arrow keys if you prefer keyboard selection. It's important to highlight the exact text you want to move, because the centering action will apply to whatever is selected. Now go up to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of Microsoft Word. The Home tab contains the most common formatting tools, including font settings, bold and italic options, spacing, and alignment controls. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the Paragraph Alignment section. From there, click the Center Align button. This is the icon that lines text up in the middle horizontally on the page. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also press Ctrl+E on Windows to apply center alignment instantly. As soon as you do that, your selected text will move to the center. Now, if you want the text to appear in the middle of the page both horizontally and more visually centered on the page, you may also need to adjust spacing, line breaks, or page layout depending on your document. For example, if you're creating a title page, you might press Enter a few times above the text, or use paragraph spacing settings so the text sits lower on the page and looks centered overall. But for the basic centering step, Center Align is the key tool. If your goal is simply to center a heading across the page, this is all you need. The text will now be aligned evenly in the center, giving your document a balanced and professional appearance. If you're formatting a cover page, certificate, or a simple title layout, this method works perfectly. And that's it. You now know how to center text in the middle of the page in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference in how your document looks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to learn more formatting tricks in Word. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.